Hey there, welcome back to Eurovision with Ukraine and Ziferblat, Bird of Prey. I did see the lyrics. Marine has provided the lyrics, and they're about birds. I mean, no, what'd you expect? Marine also says Ziferblat won a 10-person national final to qualify to represent Ukraine at Eurovision 2025. The band previously applied for the national final for Eurovision 2023 and last year at Eurovision 2024, where they came in second place. Oh, okay. Last year, Eurovision 2024 for Ukraine was really good, so that's what they got. 80s sci-fi movie getup. Ooh, well, that's a very cool stage. Wow, I like it. Artificial, nice.
Zajdę, zajdę się do mydle, moja ptaszka. Kryłamy pieśnia zlita,
Okay.
wianuszka. Serdenko, serce kochane, nie ty bój się. Доля довірилась, останніми знов. Я світла шукаю, гори зверну. And I call you blood, blood, I'm begging you.
This is really not, sorry, not 80s sci-fi. This is like 70s sci-fi movie. Check out the pants.
Blood, I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me and my little bird of prey. Vertaj, vertaj.
What was that move? That's it.
Вертай, вертайся додому, літа стежка. Спів перелітних пташок народить весну. I call you fly, but I'm begging you just guess of me and my little bird. Like a bird, where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my
English?
heart with someone who flies. But I'm
Nice.
begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of
Okay. That was something. That was, I don't know, again, like, okay, let's start with the basics. The stage, absolutely love it. I love this like fake, real looking kind of stage, you know? There's the flowers, and there's like a lot of like zoom ins on the flowers as well, and like certain parts of the song. This is like a great picture right here. This is like a sick picture. Very interesting. The stage is very original. Actually, in a way, the stage matches the song quite well because I don't know, it feels like it's an old school song, which again makes sense with the what they're wearing, 70s, 80s, whenever this is from. But like some newer, I don't know, newer instruments, maybe like newer way of singing. This is a strange one. I gotta say, this is I don't know what to make of this. I don't know where this goes. I'm looking at my list and I'm like, where is Ukraine? Where is Ukraine going in this? I almost want to place it. I don't get it. I gotta be honest. I mean, it's an okay song, but I feel like I don't get it. That actually makes more sense for me. It's strange. It's different. It's not a bad thing. Maybe I gotta listen to it again. I don't know. It's just yeah, it's very strange. It's a very, very strange song. That's kind of like what I have. Yeah, yeah. And again, if they ended up second place last year's song Ukraine was not like S tier for me, but it was one of my favorites. It was like super, super catchy. Mama Teresa or something. What was it? Like I still remember it after a year, right? That song was super catchy. This is just I don't know, I feel like this picture represents the song quite well. This is what it is. I yeah, that's all I got. Thank you for watching. Peace.